Increasing demand for quality, accurate, and reliable sensor technologies is global, especially when it comes to clean energy. Interface provides the industry's most accurate and reliable force sensors, and we have been working with organizations in the energy industry, both traditional and alternative. As the expansion of the green energy industry rapidly grows, Interface finds our precision force and torque measurement products in high demand to be used in producing new energy solutions from wind, solar, hydrogen, geothermal, biomass, and biofuels. New technologies in energy drives the critical need to monitor, test, and validate concepts and designs. Many of the alternative source technologies are inventive, newer, and need custom measurement solutions to take on the challenges. Interface is up for the challenge. Interface has developed both off-the-shelf products along with custom solutions and OEM designs for a wide variety of clean energy innovations. We understand the unique requirements of clean energy and have developed a widening line of products uniquely suited for these innovations. Our load cells, torque transducers, and more can be found within a wide variety of testing and monitoring systems used in production of wind, water, solar, and hydrogen energy. Energy is complex, with market players that span from scientific researchers to production engineers. With advanced sensor-based technologies in demand to manage different segments of the energy cycle, testing equipment used to design and validate new products within the energy industry grows. Among those testing technologies, force measurement devices and instrumentation offered by Interface play a key role. Interface is a supplier of choice for the energy industry.